have a client, he's an Uber driver, and he didn't have a dash camera in his vehicle. And up here in Canada, well, until recently, there was a mask policy. Everybody had to wear a mask everywhere you go. So, people get in and out of his vehicle, and some people wouldn't wear a mask, and he didn't care. It wasn't a big deal to him. Like, sure, if you don't want to wear one, don't wear one, right? He didn't want to get into any issues. And what ended up happening is they would report him to Uber saying, they weren't wearing masks, and then they would take his fare away from him. So he wouldn't get paid because he wasn't enforcing the provincial policies. So then, to kind of continue with the story, what ends up happening is, because he's losing these fares for not enforcing the policy, he starts enforcing the policy. A lady gets mad, starts hitting him. She ends up getting charged, and he goes, you know what? I'm getting a dash camera now so that I can record this stuff. That way I'm protecting myself, and every time somebody gets in the vehicle, it lets them know this Uber, just so you know, has a dash camera and will be recording the interior.